Okay, so the time has finally come. Is nobody cares except for maybe 4, maybe 8 whole people on the internet, but you are currently sitting in a shelf. A shelf like this. Now originally, as you can see, the truck was lined. You can kind of see the lines on this side, but they were mirrored. It was lined with shelves because it was a contractor truck, and I use it mostly as a hauler. So I need to be able to keep tools back here for repairing the truck, and that requires I make certain changes, like taking all the shelves out. But I didn't get rid of them because I'm not insane. The trade-off being is that tools usually end up like this. They're just sort of dumped everywhere, hellishly disregarded. So I'm putting this shelf back in, and I may put some sub-shelving in. Down here is going to be my fuel and oil cans and stuff like that. My filters and other clean things are going to be up here. Other tallish but problematic objects and so on are going to be in the middle shelves. Also tools. Tools are going to live on this shelf. Now, I don't know where the doors for this went. I mean, I kind of do. They're in the basement, and the kids have used them for projects. So the little doors are gone. I'm going to have to get around that. There are a couple of ways to get around that. This is going to be the first one. The first way we're going to get around this is I've got some old canvas tarp, and I'm just going to tarp this off and then run my ratchet straps here down the side so that I can run a ratchet strap across to keep each layer of shelf tight, because that's what I've got for today. And then from there I will I'll be able to do a more permanent solution later, like putting hinges back on. And I've got plenty of plywood. I could build little doors if I wanted to, which I might do. I don't know. But anyway, that's a future me problem. The right now me just needs to make all of this stuff safe, and then run maybe a little board across the front to keep stuff from wanting to slide off. That would be the smart money. We'll see how smart I feel today. It's 1,000,000 degrees and it's hotter in the truck.